Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make origami airplane. First, you need to get rectangle piece of paper. See, there's a rectangle. And then fold in half in a hot dog way. Like this. And then you open it. And then fold this in rectangular. This. Get this piece, put it in rectangular, like this. And then you get this, put it like this. Not all the way down here, but close to the bottom, like around here. And then you fold it like this. Okay? And then you get this piece folded in a triangular way, like this. See? See? Same thing with this side too. See, like this. So that you see this pointy thing. So you see this pointy thing? Before it like this. And then you put it in half like this. We almost finished making the origami airplane. And you get this piece, put it like this. Turn it over, put it like this. See, like this. So when it's like this, you get, see there is two things, two pieces. You do like this, and then over here like this. And then there is origami airplane. See? But if you want to make it better, look better, when it is like this, you get this piece, fold it like this. And you get this piece, fold it like this. See? That is how to make origami airplane. And when you do this, you get, if you want to do this, you get this, your thumb and your index finger, and then you draw it like this. It's like this. See? Okay, I will show you. More better view. Okay, so I will show you. Okay. So, you see this paper airplane? And then you do this, watch. See? And you do it like that. That's how you do the origami airplane. I'll show you once more. Let me get the origami airplane. Okay. Okay, so you get this piece of paper. You get this, and then see, watch. Ready, set, go. Like that. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed my video. And comment down below and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.